Hey, I'm Sarah. I am the owner of Cleaning Ninja 7B here in Sandpoint, Idaho. There was a time when I woke up and had new services booked, and it was actually last week, and I looked and I'm like, why is there $1,000 just like all of a sudden in my bank account? I'm like, oh, it's because Menutize, because people were able to order the clean and schedule it, and then my team went in and we did it, and I was like, oh my gosh, and it just feels so good. Menutize has completely changed the way that I do business, because when people inquire about it, I can send them my website that I didn't lift a finger to create. I just get to enjoy it. I look on it, it's beautiful. So if you're a small business owner and you want to wake up with literal actual money in your bank account and you're just sleeping, you should get Menutize. It's such an amazing feeling to have that happen, and you just really don't know until it happens.